So next we're going to briefly talk about 1-07, which is just simply the deviation from standing orders guidelines. Now, you may use no guidelines on a patient contact. You may use one guideline. You may use multiple guidelines depending on the scenario in the patient's presentation or changes, during evaluation and transport. The biggest thing is, again, at the top there, just never simply disregarding a standing order and never just creating your own order. These guidelines hopefully will cover most every patient situation you're going to run into. The biggest thing about this is down here that if there's an order there, just simply document your clinical decision making. If you choose to do something above and beyond, document why. If you choose to omit something out of a standing order or guideline, just simply document why or why you did not do something. It's part of the QI/QA process. We will evaluate that. And if we disagree, we may ask, to get a little more explanation. If possible, if there's going to be a substantial, omission or, you're doing something that goes outside of the scope of the standing orders, if possible, you should always try and contact online medical control. And that can be, a designated number that can be talking with, a control on scene and that contacting the destination facility. But again, the big picture is here, do what you need to do for your patient. Just make sure you document why you did that so that when we go back, we can understand your thought process and to understand if we need to, add tools or add explanations or add education in these scenarios. But if there's any question or concern, as always, please let me know. Thanks.